Hello guys, welcome to Carol's Kitchen, and today we're preparing some kebabs for breakfast. That is something that most Kenyans or Africans or any other person would love for breakfast. First, I would like to take you through my spices. I'm having a garlic powder, paprika, a black pepper, mixed spices, garam masala, and turmeric. Those are the spices that I'm using for seasoning the minced meat, and we have the minced meat right here. So we're using some 3 red onions, some vitungu za matawi, I don't know their English names, and dania, coriander leaves, and some white bread too, and I'll be using 5 to 6 eggs. It will depend with what my minced meat will take. Welcome, and please subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video about Carol's Kitchen, you will definitely get a notification and watch for. So guys, I've already cracked my eggs. These are 5 eggs inside here, and I've added some turmeric and salt to taste, plus these are my 2 types of onions. I told you I'm using 2 types of onions for good taste, and these are my spices. These are 6 types of spices. This is coriander, I already said, and this is my finely chopped bread, the in layer. I removed out the out layer and I left the in layer. This one I'm gonna use it to mix it with the minced meat, and I'll tell you why I'll mix it with the minced meat. So guys, these are my cooked onions. I mixed the onions with all the spices that I had, and I'm gonna mix the onions in the minced meat, of which I boiled the minced meat for oh my goodness, for something like 5 minutes at least, to tenderize it and make it soft so that it won't take a lot of my time while deep frying. So I've already mixed the onions with the minced meat, and I've really mixed it thoroughly, yani nimechanganya sana hadi zikashikana. So next I'm gonna take my bread, and the reason as why I'm using the bread is because ndio inisaidie kuishika, like juu unajua nyama inaweza toka, so the bread is for holding it firm while I'm making the kebab shape. So guys, this is the whole process. So unazifinya, unazitengeneza shape, unazingisha kwa mayai yako. I prefer to use my hands because maneno ya spoon inasumbua sana. So from here, clearly I'll zoom in, but I've already put some kebabs kwa moto, and make sure you're cooking at a medium heat. You don't use a lot of heat because the eggs will burn, the out layer will be crunchy and it doesn't taste nice. So use medium or low heat. So let me zoom you direct to the kitchen, to the saucepan. As you can see, our kebabs are ready, and oh my goodness, the aroma. My neighbors are already complaining. The thing, yani, inaka tasty, inanukia, karibu tu yani tukule with some cold juice or some cold milk. This is kebab number 2, and guys, I'll show you the final results with the other kebabs.